This is the Tibaldi N60 Fountain Pen. It comes with a red sleeve. The pen information is in a sticker on the back. There's some design printing on the interior box that is visible from the outside, and the sleeve is a smaller size than the box inside, so you get a little bit of interesting contrast going on there. And the Tibaldi name is embossed on the side. So you can actually just slide the interior box out. I just push it right here and it slides out. That's the easiest way to open this. And inside is your Tibaldi N60. It also comes with two ink cartridges in this little black bag. And then you've got your certificate of warranty here, all on the bottom of your N60 pen box. And this is your fountain pen. It's a resin material body and cap, and it has silver trim. It's got a stainless steel nib, screw-on cap. These pens are made in Italy. You'll see the resin featured here on the tip of the cap. You'll also see there's the 3 rings at the bottom of the cap. The Tibaldi name is written on the cap right above the 3 rings, between the rings and the pen clip. And then there's a little bit of the silver trim at the end of the barrel, as well as the resin featured again at the end of the barrel. I'm going to screw the pen. You'll notice that the section it's also resin, but it's a solid black. This Tibaldi N60 fountain pen comes with a stainless steel nib and an ebonite feeder. These pens are made by the Tibaldi company in Italy, and they were just added to the Pen Chile inventory in late 2020. So these are brand new right now. Inside, you're already set up with your ink converter, and it has the Tibaldi name here in black on the silver part of the converter. You can remove the ink converter if you would prefer to use the ink cartridges that are included with the pen, or any fountain pen ink cartridges that are standard international cartridge size. I also forgot to check out whether or not this posts easily. It does. It posts really well. It's pretty solid. The N60 from Tibaldi is available in different colors. We just looked at the N60 fountain pen in ruby red. But the N60 also comes in rollerball and ballpoint. So some of these will be the different pens, but they're all available in, this one is called Simarkenblue. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but this is Simarkenblue. And they all have the silver colored trim. This is amber yellow, and then also emerald green. And this is you'll be able to tell the difference here. This is actually a ballpoint version of the N60, but they all share the same color schemes. So you can also find the same emerald green in fountain pen or rollerball. So if you want to check those out more or get more information about some of the other Tibaldi products, find them online at penchile.com.